Alright folks, this is the unboxing of the new iRide mobility scooter. So when you get your box, it'll be on a pallet, or maybe it'll be just like this, but that's what you're looking at. So the first thing you need to do is cut the ties, the yellow ties out, and then you got to open this up. So you probably want to cut this open like this. Just like that. And then you're going to open the box. And when you open the box, it's going to be pretty simple. You'll have in here, as you can see when I pull it out, that's the front end. There's the seat right here. We'll put the seat over here on the ground. As you can see. And then you have a cardboard in the middle, and your iRide is actually right here, okay? So you can pull it out forward, and you can actually, if you want to, you could actually turn the box sideways, but since it's not heavy, I'm just gonna lift it out, put it on the ground. Inside the box, be careful, you're still gonna have your owner's manual here, and that's about it. So there's nothing else left in the box. So what you would do now, you would just take the plastic off the chair like this. You would raise this up, and now you have a little adjustment here. The battery is already installed here. The only thing you'll have to do when you get your battery is connect the power cable, and I think the power cable goes right here on this little, if you pull this little tab right here and put the power cable here, and you don't want to force it, okay? So just make sure you put it in there without forcing it. Just like that, and then there's a tab right here. You pull this tab off, and then you can turn the button on, and that should give you power for the front, okay? Plugged in, power, and then you can hit your on and on button here, and you should be ready to go. So now you've got this put together, and you got your power on, and you got it connected here, and then you hold the middle button down a few seconds until you see the digital display come there showing you your battery and your speed. Then you will take your seat, and you will just put your seat right on here like this, and you see there's a notch there, and you go all the way until the seat is in there where it doesn't turn anymore. And if you want to tighten it up, there's a little handle under here that you can just tighten up the seat so it doesn't have any play at all. So this is how you unbox the new iRide mobility scooter 3-wheel. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.